tighten the presser foot adjustment screw a little more. An elastic tape as wide as 12 mm can be used. However, the optimum width for a beautiful finish is 5 to 8 mm. Raise the needle to the highest position of its stroke. Raise the roller guide. Raise the presser foot using the lifting lever of the presser bar. Pass the elastic tape through the slot in the lower section of the roller guide. Then, place the tape under the presser foot and bring it toward the rear side of the presser foot. Lower the presser foot. Lower the roller guide. Loosen the set screw in the guide plate and adjust the guide plate to the width of the elastic tape to be sewn. Adjust the tension on the elastic tape using the roller clamping screw. Place the material under the presser foot and sew the material together with the elastic tape.